Roger right here, let's go make some table leg. First, let's roll it off using cutter block blade to cut material faster. And then we're gonna switch to bell nose to make the curve and to make it smoother. And the last step, we're gonna switch to end mill to make more tight for double joint. The great curve is not coming from luck, it's coming from the right tool for the job. Any question, ask me in the comment.